Veggie Adventures. Discover delicious veggies. Hello. Welcome to Veggie Adventures. Today we're going to explore how fun and delicious vegetables can be. Come along as we go to the vegetable garden. Look at these amazing veggies. Have you ever seen so many colors on your plate? Let's find out why they're so good to eat. Carrot. Carrots are crunchy and sweet. Broccoli. Broccoli is like a little tree and super tasty when you dip it. Peas. Peas are fun and round, you can even pop them in your mouth. Now let's get to know your veggies. Let's meet some of our favorite veggies. Carrots. Look how bright orange and crunchy they are. Broccoli. These mini trees, they can be eaten raw or cooked. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are cool and refreshing, perfect for a summer snack. Mimo, come and taste these cucumbers. What do you think?
They taste very crunchy and juicy. I think I now like cucumbers.
How about we try Veggie Snack Station with dips like hummus, yogurt, or guacamole? Now it's your turn to try some. You can dip, crunch, or even make fun shapes with your veggies. Did you know veggies help your body in many ways? Mimo, how about you tell us some fun facts?
Alright, let's start off with broccoli. Broccoli helps keep your body strong and healthy. Carrots. Carrots are great for your skin and eyes. Spinach. Spinach gives you lots of energy to run. Another fun fact, we just also learned letters from the alphabet. B for broccoli, C for carrots, also C for cucumber. E for eggplant. P for peas. S for spinach. T for tomatoes. It's just awesome that we get to go on this veggie adventure and learn so much.
Thank you so much, Mimo. Have you ever eaten chicken stuffed with spinach? This is also a very delicious recipe, and the good part, you will still having to eating your veggies. There's so many veggies out there, well, just to mention a few. Artichoke, also known as globatihocca. Asian greens or leaves. Asparagus, also known paprika or pica pico paquija stems. Beans or pine or peony, in that group beans there is black beans, butter beans, and sugar beans, just to name a few. Beetroot, or known as rangakura. Broccoli, or known as pupihai or pierogi. Brussels sprouts, or known as ayanani leaves. Cabbages, or known as kapiti. Celery. There are a whole lot of veggies to discover. Here is the thing. We are about to start a veggie challenge. Can you try 3 new vegetables this week? You never know which one might become your favorite. You can ask your parents to try something new like roasted carrots or steamed broccoli and share what you like best. You can post in the comments below what your favorite veggies are. Until next time, it's bye for now.
Oh, wait. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, that's right. Thanks, Mimo, for the reminder. So please like, share, and subscribe so that others can join the veggie challenge.